Yellow Submarine has 3 chords, G, D7 and C. The hard changes between G and D7, but with a little bit of practice is actually quite easy. Start with the G, then to get to the D7 you lift your third finger up and put the top 2 fingers up a string. Then to get back to the G, put the top 2 fingers down a string and put the third finger back in place. Doing that over and over again will help you with the chord change. I've also used some upstrums in the song. These upstrums are usually on the end of a bar. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Down, 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 up, down. To strum on an up, you use your thumb. Enjoy and have fun.
In a town where I was born, lived a man who sailed the sea, and he told us of his life in the land of submarines. So we sailed unto the sun till we found the sea of green, and we lived beneath the waves in a yellow submarine. We all live in a yellow submarine, yellow submarine, yellow submarine. We all live in a yellow submarine, yellow submarine, yellow submarine. And our friends are all aboard, many more of them live next door, and the band begins to play. We all live in a yellow submarine, yellow submarine, yellow submarine. We all live in a yellow submarine, yellow submarine, yellow submarine. And we live a life of ease. Every one of us has all we need. Sky of blue and sea of green in a yellow submarine. We all live in a yellow submarine.